the worst comes to pass, if you could give Shaw a message.
I think she already knows.
You know who I am, sweetie. We're just information, just noise in the system. It might as well be a symphony. This might be the first time I feel like I belong.
I'm a sociopath, I don't have feelings.
And I'm a reformed killer for hire. We're perfect for each other.
I need an answer if Samin is alive or if she's dead.
The one person that I couldn't kill was you.
You're saying maybe someday?
Yeah, sure, but maybe someday.
So while you may not be scared about what could happen to you the next time, other people are.
There are things I care about here.
People who care for you.
I need you.
While one of our own walks a certain death alone.
I need you to come back for me.
Root is not alone.
You can't live with me. I can't live without you.
There was one place I would go to in my mind. You. With you. You were my safe place.
Shaw, please get this.
Road.
She wanted you to know that if you were a shape, you were a straight line.
You've always loved the stranger.
An arrow.
Inside me, ugly, pretty.